Hi everyone, I am Maitri and this video is the next part for types of questions asked in IELTS reading module. तो आज हम देखेंगे complete the information. This is more like filling the blanks. So इसमें भी दो types होते हैं. You have to complete the sentence. Sentence में एक blank दिया होगा. You have to fill in that blank और complete the summary. जो भी passage है उसकी summary दी होगी and there will be some missing words. तो आपको missing words को fill करना है. Let's talk about the strategy. तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू स्किम द पैसेज, मतलब जो भी पैसेज में इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है उसे अच्छे से समझना है और पैसेज का जो मेन आइडिया है उसे समझना है. देन आइडेंटिफाई सिनोनिम्स. अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई और चीज दी गई है एंड पैसेज में कुछ और लिखा है बट द मीनिंग वुड बी सेम एंड जब भी आप आंसर लिख रहे हो मेक श्योर यू आर कनेक्टिंग टू द टेक्स्ट ग्रामेटिकली. कोई भी सेंटेंस जो है वो ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. Let's have a look to the example. In recent times, developing commercial revenues has become more challenging for airports due to the combination of factors such as increased competition from the internet shopping restrictions on certain sales such as tobacco and new security procedures that have had an impact on the dwell time of passengers. Moreover, the global economic downturn has caused a reduction in passenger numbers while those that are traveling generally have less money to spend. This has meant that the share of revenue from non-aeronautic revenues actually peaked at 54% at the turn to the century and has subsequently declined slightly. Meanwhile, the pressure to control the level of aeronautic revenues as strong as ever due to the poor financial health of many airlines and the rapid rise of the low-cost carrier sector. Okay, let's have a look to the question. The length of time पैसेंजर स्पेंड शॉपिंग एट द एयरपोर्ट हैज बीन अफेक्टेड बाय द अपडेटेड. तो क्वेश्चन में ये बता रहा है कि जो टाइम है पैसेंजर्स शॉपिंग करते हैं एयरपोर्ट्स पे वो कम हो गया है. क्यों कम हो गया है? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक टू द पैसेज. It is written then new security procedure that have had an impact on the dwell time of passengers. मतलब पैसेंजर्स शॉपिंग में जितना टाइम स्पेंड करते थे वो कम हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द security procedures. So the answer will be security procedures. Let's have a look to the next example. Some of the more obvious situations to growing commercial revenues, such as extending the merchandising space or expanding the variety of shopping opportunities, have already been tried to their limit at many airports. A more radical solution is to find new sources of commercial revenue within the terminal, and this has been explored by many airports over the last decade or so. As a result, many terminals are now much more than just shopping malls and offer an array of entertainment, leisure, and beauty and wellness facilities. At the stage of facilities provision, the airport also has the possibility of taking the role of the final destination rather than merely a facilitator of access. So let's have a look to the question. Question में क्या है? Airports with a wide range of recreation facilities can become a blank for people rather than means to travel. मतलब ऐसे airports जिसके पास वाइड रेंज है फैसिलिटीज की वो पीपल के लिए ट्रैवल करने से भी ज्यादा क्या होता है. सो पैसेज में इट इज रिटन दैट एट द स्टेज ऑफ फैसिलिटीज प्रोविजन द एयरपोर्ट हैज आल्सो द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ टेकिंग ऑन द रोल ऑफ फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन रेदर देन merely a facilitator of access. मतलब एयरपोर्ट किसकी जगह ले रहा है? ऑफ अ फाइनल destination. So our answer will be final destination. And you have to make sure कि आप जो spelling लिख रहे हो that should be correct. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.